Back in this country, the nation's top law enforcement official is being dragged into court by House Republicans. Today, they made good on a threat to file a civil lawsuit to force the Attorney General to release documents about Operation Fast and Furious, the failed gun tracking program. That investigation led to the contempt charge against Attorney General Eric Holder, and now there is more. National correspondent Steve Santani is here to tell us what this all means. Good evening, Steve.
Hi, Brett. A lawsuit filed in federal court today almost assures this fight over Fast and Furious will rage on until after the November election. The House Oversight and Government Reform Committee alleges the Obama administration is obstructing a congressional probe into how federal agents lost track of nearly 2,000 firearms sold to gun smuggling suspects, with some of those guns ending up at the scene of the murder of Border Patrol agent Brian Terry. But the lawsuit focuses on the administration's claim of executive privilege in refusing to release certain documents dating from after Terry's death.
The president's claim is far broader than any history of any claim by any president, because he's claiming essentially all communication by his cabinet officers' employees would become part of a deliberative process.
After Congress held him in contempt in June, Attorney General Eric Holder accused Republicans of playing politics and promoting, quote, absurd conspiracy theories. And a Justice Department spokeswoman said in a statement today, quote, we were always willing to work with the committee. Instead, the House and the committee have said they prefer to litigate. House Speaker John Boehner weighed in too. He said, quote, by stonewalling Congress and ignoring a contempt order, the Justice Department has left the House no choice but to take legal action. But House Minority Leader Nancy Pelosi insisted, quote, this partisan lawsuit wastes taxpayer dollars and resources and is a distraction from the urgent business before Congress. And how will this lawsuit fare in federal court?
The judges often say, whoa, wait a minute, let me extricate myself and see if you two sides can reach a resolution that's acceptable to everybody.
Meanwhile, the Justice Department's Inspector General is looking into Fast and Furious, and that report is due within a few weeks. Brett?
We'll follow it. Steve, thank you.